Salam, hi everyone. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do like a house tour. I'm sorry if the glasses like glaring at you. I'm just like, how should I look? I don't know. Right, so I'm gonna do like a house tour. So there's nothing much to see, but you know, I guess this is what you get for 6,000, 5,000 HKD dollar in the main city, because I'm in the Causeway Bay area. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so this is the door where you came in. I put like my key there because it's easier when I want to go out the door, because this is so small that literally the hallway is the big of the door. So, and the door is not that big either. And if you want to compare, this is like the IKEA. Yeah, I have my shoe that I use every day there. Like this is like the IKEA, like the cheapest mat. Yep, and you can see you can't even fit two of them together. It's just like, yeah, it's just that big. And then right from the door, this is the hallway, and you can see this is like the bathroom. The bathroom is quite big for a small place, so you open up like that. Usually when I'm in the bathroom, I didn't close the door because I'm on my own. So this is the bathroom. Yep, I'm hanging my clothes there because I don't have any washer dryer. The toilet, and this is the sink. I have like few cleaning supply there, and I have my face mask. That's me, and my hands. Hello. Yep, all the stuff. So I have one plug for like if you want to dry your hair, but yeah, I don't have any. And it has like the water heater. I don't really use it because the place is quite cold, and I don't like heated water unless in winter. So yep, for this. Alright, so I'm standing. Yep, I'm in my hotel slippers. I took it from the hotel. This is like from, like, I'm standing at my entrance. So this is the hallway. I'm sorry, it's a bit echoey. And I bought this at IKEA. This thing, I think it's only like $60. So I put my shoes, my heavily used shoes. This is like for work, mentally for work. Yep. And I put shoes down there. I have my my rubbish stuff. Usually I mean, like, if I cook every day, I just throw it away. So that's just from yesterday. I'm gonna throw it later. And then I put like the heavily used stuff. This is like charger for my Apple Watch. This is like the yoga, not the yoga, I don't know what we call this, like for you to exercise, because this is like a small place, so I need to pick and choose. So usually, like, this is like a shopping bag, so that's my bag. They're heavily used, but they don't have any place to put. I just put it here because this is easy access and it doesn't take any floor space. And this is the switch. So as you come in, this is like where I hang my pants. And then when you come here, this is like literally the whole room. My house might be bigger, no, your room might be bigger than my house, but yeah, let's get started from here. I have my TV. This is the Samsung. I don't know how much is it, I mean, like, how big it is. And then I have, this is my artwork. I'm not good at painting, but you know, the one that I did well, I like to treasure it and showcase it. So yep. And then I have my Polaroid pictures. So these are the people in my life for the past year and a half. So, and yeah, and then I have something to hang there, but I didn't hang anything because, you know, then I cannot see the Polaroid. And this is my bed. I think this is the queen size bed. I like this headboard. This is already came in with the place, so yep, kudos to that. I like the headboard. And this is the curtain that come with the place, and this is the one that I bought from Daiso. Yeah, random, because I think people can see from there, that's why, you see, yeah, that's why I put it there, so that people cannot really see it through. The curtain is a blackout curtain. If I close it, it's totally black. And this is my closet. I can't, the closet is kind of, yeah, I'm gonna do like later on, but the closet is, you know, not that big, but it works to hang clothes. We have air conditioning. air condition there. And then this is the bed. Yeah, that's the tripod I use, the bag I use for everyday for work. And we have like a hydraulic there, the hydraulic, how I call it, like pull up bed, so that you can put, I have my luggage, like the big luggage inside there, and the stuff that I didn't use. So that's that. And this is the carpet that I bought from IKEA. This is the table and the chair that come with it, so I didn't buy like a big furniture. It's already come with it. I just buy the small one. And I have my laptop here. I try to keep it clean as possible and to keep it like clear, because if not, I'm not going to use it if I put a lot of stuff in it. This table is a expand one, so if I have a friends coming in for cooking and stuff, I can open it. As you can see there, you can just pull the table in and you can flip out, and you have, yeah, that's my dishwasher, dish soap, sorry. So yeah, you can like have like sort of like a, how do I call it, like meal table, I don't know, dinner table, yeah. And yeah, this is like all the stuff that I bought from IKEA. The IKEA is just a few blocks away, so it's not a big deal. And yeah, same with the, this is like the chair actually, but I have my scarf on it. But yeah, I have 3 of these. Another 2 is under the bed, so if someone coming, I can make the table bigger and pull out the chair from under the bed. Then we have 3 to 4 places to sit. So yeah. So this is the table, and I have my few of my bags hanging there, and they have the lights fixture there. I just opened it, another one, so yep, that's fun. And then you have the full length mirror. This is how I get ready in the morning, I guess. So hi, yeah, I'm trying to get ready to film this video. So on my table I just have this is the one that I brought from Malaysia. I think this is from Kaizon. And this bowl I just bought from Daiso. I have some fans because, you know, sometimes I just don't want to bother with the coolness of the aircon because it costs a lot. So yep, I have a speaker. And then this is my kitchen. Yep, I'm sitting on my bed and literally I can reach my kitchen, but it works. So I have cabinets there. Of course, there's a lot of food in there. Yep. Maybe I'll do a different separate video on it. So I have my book there. Just put it next to the microwave. If I use the microwave, I put away the books because the ventilation's like on the side. Yep. So that's just how it is. And then I have my like everyday use stuff in here because this is next to the kitchen. Oops, yeah, that's from this morning. Ignore that. Because this is next to the sink, I have to make sure this is like, you know, not what we call it, not cloth material. So I have that. This is, yeah, this is the station, the drink station. I have my drinking water, and then I have this, what we call it, like apple cider. I drink that every day, 3 times a day, so that good for my skin, my face skin. So yeah, it's good. If you have a problem with your skin, I recommend to drink that 3 times a day. Yep, that's the messy part. So, but yeah, it works. So yeah, so this I bought this from Daiso. If you stay in Causeway Bay, there's a Daiso near the Borrington Market. So yeah, you can go there. That's the cheapest place that you can buy a lot of like home stuff other than the IKEA. Sometimes IKEA is a bit too expensive. So yeah, so I bought the candle from IKEA. This is from Kaizon from Malaysia. That's the Starbucks drink. Because it's glass, it looks nice. I want to paint it, but not yet, later on. That's the induction. Yeah, and that's the sink. Can you see how small is it? Usually I make a preparation on here. I cook, I clean, and I eat here. So this is like my eating table, my working table is, you know, is everything. And then down here I have another cabinet. I have more foods and more like living stuff down there, like extra things, because it's cheaper when you buy in bulk. So this is, you know, I have even my stationery in here because I don't have a place to put. And this is the induction. You have to buy the special one to cook in here. I bought one from, I forgot what's the place. I think I'll put like the link below. And it's pretty cheap, around $60. Usually it's around more than 100. I managed to find one. I only have one. I put it in here because I don't know, maybe I'll do like separate video for this one. So yeah, I only have one. That's why I want to buy like a rice cooker so that I can cook rice somewhere like here and it's not gonna like, you know, bother with me when I'm cooking. So we have the fan here for when I'm cooking. So, and this is the fridge. This is a small fridge but it works. And I bought this instead of buying the, like, you know, the rack for the dishes. Instead I bought this. This is like the dryer mat and it's only cost I think $20 in IKEA. So when I wash the dishes I put it here, and here is quite hot, not hot, like, you know, warm because of the fridge. I think the fridge is not a good one, it's breaking up, but it works as for now. But yeah, so basically that's all the room, that's all the space. So this is like I'm in the middle and this is how you can see it. Yep, that's me. And yeah, alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I guess this is what you get for 6,500 in Causeway Bay. For me this is good enough. As you guys know, my selling point, I don't know if I showed, yeah, my selling point of this place is the price, the window, and the kitchen, because most of the place don't have kitchen for the price of 6,500 ish. I saw one place for like 6,000 that have the kitchen but they don't have the lights, not like what I call it, the big window. Someone who not, I mean, I cannot function if the room is dark. All I want to do is sleep. So yeah, I put like some of the link below that I've been staying and some of other place that I think you might want to check if you come to Hong Kong. So yeah, so this is my life in Hong Kong. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.